Namaste to all, dear warriors. Here is the another question relating to maintaining bill-wise details, and this is another question. What do you mean by advance reference? Explain with an example. Okay, advance method is selected when we receive our పే మనీ ఇన్ అడ్వాన్స్ మనం ముందే వాళ్ళకి అమౌంట్ పే చేస్తున్నాం లేదంటే మనకి ముందే అమౌంట్ వచ్చేసింది. ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ వెన్ సేల్స్ ఆర్ పర్చేజెస్ ఎంట్రీ ఈజ్ మేడ్, ద అడ్వాన్స్ ఆప్షన్ విల్ బీ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ ది ఫర్ అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్. మోస్ట్లీ whenever bill is raised, part of the bill is adjusted against the advance. The balance amount is carried for new reference, okay, during the entry of sales or purchases. This is the basic information you need to tell. Next, here is the example. Universal Traders making payment for Labtech Limited in advance for purchase of HP 680 cartridge 100 ton numbers at 200 rupees. I am giving same example in different way. You are making the payment earlier before purchasing the goods. మనం పర్చేస్ చేయక ముందే ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, అడ్వాన్స్ పేమెంట్ చేస్తున్నాం. अब पहले परचेस करने से पहले ही आप क्या कर रहे हैं, उनको एडवांस में पेमेंट कर रहे हैं. सो स्टेप 1, रिकॉर्डिंग द पेमेंट ट्रांजैक्शन बाय यूजिंग द रेफरेंस बिल वाइज डिटेल्स मेंटेनिंग. गो टू गेटवे ऑफ टैली अकाउंटिंग वोचर, प्रेस FI फॉर पेमेंट वोचर. नोट, रिक्वायर्ड लेक्चर अकाउंट्स हैव ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड, ये बात बता देना, एंड इन्वेंट्री आल्सो क्रिएटेड. स्टेप 2, enter the required details in appropriate fields such as date 1st April 2021, ledger account, bank account, and another party ledger, Labtech. Okay, next, select the supplier or creditor account to whom we are making the payment. Example, Labtech Limited. Press enter. Okay, then record the amount rupees 20,000 and press enter button. Following bill wise details screen will appear. Okay, step 5, select the method of reference as advance and press enter. So यहाँ पे if you select advance, here it will come advance. That's it. Record the narration, enter the amount, record the narration. Okay, narration, press enter button till we get dialog box. Press Ctrl A to save the details are. Okay, payment transaction will get recorded, which is shown below. Here you can see the payment transaction. Okay, here you need to make, in previous we wrote against reference, here we are writing advance. Okay, account, that's it, same. So here is the answer relating to how to use advance reference, okay, under bill wise details. See, this video is useful for all those students who are worrying about how to write this answer. Please send them, share it with them. Thank you. Jai Hind.